Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever stared blankly at your screen thinking, what do I even get them? Well, you're in the right place. So today, I'll show you how ChatGPT can help you choose the perfect gift in minutes. Yes, even last minute ones that don't feel like last minute ones. So, as always, check the pinned comment for bonus prompt ideas, quick copy paste templates, and a few gift lists to spark inspiration. Why don't we start right now? Sometimes you have no clue what to get, and that's okay because ChatGPT right here thrives in the brainstorming stage. All you need to do is feed it a few facts about the person and the occasion. So let's say you're shopping for your brother. He's 27, loves hiking, board games, and recently got into photography. It's his birthday this weekend, and you have no clue what to get. Here's what you might type into ChatGPT. Here's it is my prompt. There we go. Yep, just as everything as I stated just now. Yep, hikes, board games, taking photos with a mirrorless camera, photography, landscape, and another detail here, $50. My budget is $50. Suggest something personal and not too common. Okay, let's send this off right now. Okay, let's see how it was suggest for us. Okay, first up is a custom adventure journal and photo log set for $45 to $50. Okay, what's inside? What it works? Okay. All right, let's take a look at this one. All right. What's inside? Custom pages for hike details, strategy, game session notes, photo log sections. Okay. Also, weatherproof pen, personalized cover engraving, pocket-sized print templates, or Polaroid-style sticky frames. Okay, I can see the vision, how this could be fitting with the, for instance, interests with my brother, let's say that, and why it works. Personal, useful, tactile, and analog, unique, and yep, here details to help you out. There we go. And yeah. So what I love about this is ChatGPT doesn't give you like list of generic items that could be recommendations for you. So yeah, as you'll see, even just one right here, or you could just ask for another one right here. Let me just type right here. There we go. And as you'll see, as it's currently generating, it may take a while, but you get the point. It's like having a best friend right here that ChatGPT has, who shops and remembers every details. And yep, as you'll see right here, there are a few more suggestions right here, like Adventures Recovery Kit, personalized photography field cards, or handmade Gloomhaven token organizer inserts. And yep, here are the rest. And yep, you'll get the point. In summary, yeah, ChatGPT is really helpful with the details and all, as you'll ask with these prompts. And there we go. The results, right here, the budget and all. See? All right, so for our next step right here, let's say I like or I'm interested in the photography field cards right here. Okay, so it says here design or order a small deck of laminated cards, like cue cards that give creative photo prompts or landscape composition ideas based on nature, weather, time of day. Why it's great, gets him thinking outside the frame while on hikes, or he could get personalized the prompts to his style. Okay, but I want it to be extra special. Could explore alternatives of this. So instead of going back to square one, why don't I ask for a follow-up? Okay, here's a cool thing I must do right here. I could just highlight this, click reply. There we go. It's already specifically attached to my upcoming prompt right here. Boom. Okay. Those field cards idea, or that field cards idea. Sorry about that. Sounds great. Can you give me three thoughtful alternatives within the same price that are tailored to beginner landscape photographers, customizable, travel friendly, or with a fun twist or anything? Yeah. So I'm gonna leave it that to ChatGPT. Boom. Okay, it's currently processing. Okay, it's already generating. Okay, first, shoot and sketch pocket journal. Second, photography dice, landscape edition, prompt generator dice set. 3, custom waterproof shoot list deck with clip ring. Okay, yep, each of them, more details, and there's a custom idea and why it's great. And here's a follow-up right here. Mock-up, view card prompts, dice faces or sticker ideas for one of these. And yep, there we go. As you can see, just be a bit more specific. As you can see, the highlighted suggestion GIF from ChatGPT had to be more specific with the next prompt. And here's the follow-up. There we go with the budget. The following gift suggestion, the same, run right, oh, sorry about that, right over here, and yep, there we go, and this should be helpful just to pick which one's the best with all the details and all, and yep. Now, before we dive into the last one, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Alright, so the gift's great. Let's say I would pick this one, the Shoot and Sketch Pocket Journal. So let's make it unforgettable. Whether it's a handwritten card, a custom engraving, or a playful inside joke, well, ChatGPT right here can help you craft the perfect little addition. So, yep, again, let's say I would pick this one, and I want a short message, like either etched or just pasted there, something that speaks to your bond or his journey. For example, my brother into photography. So here's my prompt right here. Can you write 3 short engraved messages under 40 characters each for a shoot and sketch pocket journal? Yep, here we go again. Yep, it's already attached and highlighted and all with my current prompt that's about to send. Okay, something clever, inspiring, or brotherly with a personal touch. Okay, let's send this one right now. There we go. All right, here are the following 3 messages. Okay, so you'll see right here. Okay, so let's read. Chase light, find stillness. Okay, and here's detailed meaning, like a nod to quiet power of landscape photography for perfect for reflecting and capturing nature's calm. All right, that's sweet. Okay. Number 2, clever brotherly for hikes, shots, and epic plots. Okay. And 3, for personal or supportive, see it your way. I always do. All right. So, any of these 3 are really good for the engravement of these messages to that certain GIF. So, ChatGPT can help you elevate the experience with these engraved messages that could help out enhance that gift that you're giving to, for instance, your brother, my brother, our brother. It's just those little touches that turn a good gift into a great memory. So, yeah. there you have it. 3 easy ways to let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting when it comes to gift giving. No panic, no last minute mall trips, no lame gift cards. So, thank you for watching, everybody, and happy gifting, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.